Welcome to the ePage City testimonial tutorial. Here I'll be showing you how to add and edit testimonials on your website. The first thing you need to do once you're logged into your website as an administrator is simply select the Add Content option within the gray admin bar. Once there, find the testimonial link and click on it to create a new testimonial. The first thing you'll want to do is include a short phrase or sentence from the testimonial in the short testimonial field. Then simply put the full testimonial in the long testimonial field. Include the person's name and the company title if you'd like, and once done, simply hit save. This is going to bring you to the full testimonials page, where if you navigate to your actual testimonials page, you'll see all your testimonials listed, which include edit links for each individual testimonial, which you can click on to make changes or to simply delete the testimonial. Once you're done, hit save. If you need to reorder your testimonials, simply select the reorder link and drag and drop the order that you'd like your testimonials to appear. And just remember to hit save. And that's it. Thank you for taking the time to watch this module's how-to video. If you have any questions or issues using this module or the content management system as a whole, feel free to give us a call directly at 312-291-2200 and a customer service representative will be more than happy to assist you. Thanks.